friends, welcome back to my channel SciTaker. In this I'm going to do the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the stock UI from the Moto Edge 20 versus the Realme UI 3.0 from the Realme X1 Max device. And during this process of testing, I'll try to use the 5 applications and 5 games, and out of these 5 games I did include the Badlands mobile game. And let's see friends, which phone can actually open these games and applications faster, and which phone can actually have really very good RAM management. That's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video. So in case if you want me to do any other comparison, let me know in the comment section below friends. Definitely I'll try to do my best to post the video. And the Moto Edge 20, which has got the Snapdragon 778G processor, UFS storage 2.2, read and write speeds is only 2.2, and Realme X1 Max Dimensity 1200, UFS storage 3.1. So read and write speeds will be slightly higher in the Realme X1 Max device. So in this video, technically on the paper the Realme X1 Max should be able to perform really good, but this speed test and RAM management, it also depends upon the UI optimization. That's pretty very important thing, so which a lot of users should definitely understand. If the UI is not optimized properly, then the speed test and the RAM management test will not work any good. Right now both phones should be connected to same Wi-Fi network, so which is perfect, 2.4 GHz, and all the apps should be completely clear in the background RAM management. As you can see, everything is pretty clear right in the background RAM management. And one more quick note, I forgot to enable the extender rank capabilities. Let's go to the device. Even if you enable also, that's no use at all. Even it doesn't make any kind of sense. Just for the video demonstration I'll try to enable. Again I'll be getting a lot of messages saying that I did not enable 5GB extended rank capabilities. That's the reason it did not perform so well. So I don't want to see those messages. That's the reason I'm trying to enable it, and we'll try to see. And in the Moto Edge 20 I did enable the extended rank capabilities, which is RAM boost is on 2GB. In the Moto Edge 20 you can actually increase only 2GB, but in this device 5GB. So let's wait for some time and we'll be able to see the phone gets booting up and all the apps are clear from the background. Finally, as you can see friends, 8 plus 5GB is available exactly. Extended rank capabilities I did turn on, so no complaints regarding that. And these games I did not add them into the gain space. I'm trying to mention no gain space is added, so even no complaints regarding that. Some people they'll definitely comment saying these games are added into the game space. That's the reason all the backgrounds were deleted. So no background deleting will be possible in this device, because right now these games not added into any game space. I'm trying to be pretty clear with you all what settings I'm trying to use, so you should know what's going on with overall speed test and the RAM management test. The Moto Edge 20 wobbles a lot because of this camera bump on the back side. Slightly increase the brightness. Yes. Let's do the test. Touch sampling rate, some lines I'm trying to draw, and I'm trying to keep it in the background. Let's open the mobiles and try to look at the loading speeds, how they are actually loading. Flipkart, and let's go to the mobiles. And speed test. Let's do the speed test at the same time, and both are connected to same kind of Wi-Fi network, which is 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. And after the recent software updates, the Moto Edge 20, the touch problem has been decreased a little bit. There's nothing much major complaints regarding the touch issues in the Moto Edge 20. I think it got fixed. So right now, try to look at the Wi-Fi receptions. So full signal and slightly it be kind of less signal in the Moto Edge 20. So that's something which I did notice always in the Moto Edge 20, to be having less signal strength than the other competitor smartphones. Right now upload speed is finished, and let's end it. Let's go back. Sorry. Next is the games. Even this game I did not add them into the gain space. In both phones I did not add them friends. Try to observe clearly. And right now first phone to open is the Moto Edge 20. Wow, that's very fast than the Realme X1 Max device. Not bad. Snapdragon 778G, UFS storage 2.2, and stock UI. That is what makes lot of difference in the stock UI experience friends. So definitely it's totally worth of spending that much money on the stock UI experience. Yes, even if the processor is really slow processor, don't worry at all, because stock UI will give you the really optimized kind of performance. That is what I did underestimate the device in the beginning, but later I got to know that it's pretty good, the RAM management. So Realme X and Max was able to open faster as well. This is another game. So most of the games except Battlegrounds mobile game remaining were able to open faster in the Realme X and Max device. Little bit fast than the Moto H20 device. As you can see, not bad. Now it's time to check the UI. So how is the stock UI is managed against this Realme UI 3.0 version in the Realme X and Max by using these 5 applications and 5 games. Okay, now here comes the winner, friends. So phone should not reload this Chrome. Okay, which phone will not reload? That's what we'll try to concentrate. See, let's tap at same time 1, 2 and 3. It's reloaded in the Realme X and Max, as you can see. In the Moto H20, nothing, no change. Let's look at the other second application. Touch sampling rate, lines. You can see the lines, but there is no lines. I can directly open from here, but you should know those apps were kept in the background. It's not, I did not clear them and I'm not trying to open. Okay, that's the reason I'm trying to show you the proof as well, friends. So you should know clearly what's happening. So stock UI, you can see how much better the stock UI is. Because stock UI, even with so many software updates as well, it will not get affected anything. The stock UI, that's a really advantage. Whereas this kind of Realme UI, MIUI, this kind of UIs, iQOO, FunTouch UI, they might get affected with the software updates in terms of the performance and RAM management, but this stock UI will not affect. Battlegrounds mobile game is there in the background, not bad. So next is the Hill Climb Racing. It's exactly there in the background, but Realme X and Max got closed. Candy Crush, it's there. Stray Class, yep, it's there. Temple Run, yes, it's there. So friends, this is the quick RAM management test comparison, and overall we did get to know that Realme X and Max did not keep Google Chrome, touch sampling rate, Amazon speed test, and Hill Climb Racing. 5 points, 1 out there and 5 points for the Realme X and Max, but 10 out of 10 points on the stock UI experience. That's thanks to the stock UI. So this is a quick comparison, friends, between these both phones. Even though the Moto H20 has got less powerful chipset and less UFS storage 2.2, but still because of the stock UI experience, you're gonna get really very good and better RAM management than the Realme UIs. Sometimes these applications were there in the background even for 1 day of usage. Yes, 1 day even without touching this device. If I try to keep it side, this will be in the background RAM management. That is how much powerful it is in the stock UI. That's pretty good. So that's what I did like, friends, from the beginning of using this device. So stock UI, it's like damn, very fast switching between applications and everything. All the games and everything, as you can see, it's pretty smooth. Nothing getting reloaded, as you can see clearly. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching. Stay for more updates, and meanwhile signing off. Until then, bye.